Ukhunjulwe sishikashiki lesakelwa inkhuleko labasikati singenalivalo. Kulombuthano Mengameli Ramaphosa uphinze wasebenzisa lelithuba kugceka yonke inhlobo yenkohlakalo ngekhasi lelicembu wathi icekela phansi kwetfula kwetinsita. Uphinze lubito lubumbano kule nhlangano.
Our mandate was very clear. Unite and renew the ANC. Renew the ANC in line with the values, the principles of the African National Congress. And one of the key things that you must do is to make sure that the leaders and the members of the ANC adhere to those values, the values that are going to lift the integrity and the reputation of the ANC.
Luphiko labasikati lenhlangano likhoyela ekutheni kusekhona ukucindetelwa kwalabasikati lekinto lebakalisana nayo Maxeke.
Charlotte was a firm believer in African diaspora. Shintshana ekwabantu. Waye intellectual, unionist, communist, artist. She was a woman of stature. Kangangokuthi namakhosi amthatha wazohlala enkundleni.
Kanti ikhuluma nabaholi labasizulu ku-ANC idakumntwana enzawo tikhalenga kungaphakelwa kwetinsita.
Asinazi street light apha Mengameli. Unobangela banditsho icrime apha ekuhlaleni ingapha komlingo.
Inezo zethu endipassionate ngayo Mengameli. Eyokuqala ifamily, eyesibini education. Ngifunda apha eNelson Mandela University ngenza i-masters i-IT.
Ramaphosa utibophelele ekutheni utatibuka letikhaletane committee. Kwethulela enzawo yesikhumbuto ukuhlonipha Maxeke.